Theo, can you pull this train for me? Oh, okay, Frankie. Let me just come round to the front of the train. Thanks for the help, Theo. Just trying to be really useful. This train needs to go to Great Waterton on the island of Sodor. Okay, Frankie, I'll try my best. Theo was coupled up and he slowly strained away. Err. Here's your train, Rosie. Thanks, I'll get it up to Vickerstown as soon as possible. Is that? No, it couldn't be. Couldn't be who? No one. I'm looking for Great Waterton, and I don't know the way there. Can you help me? Okay, I'll try my best. But it looks like the rain's starting. Sir, I didn't want to bother you, but I really need help. What's going on? I have to take trucks to the coaling plant, shunt them, and fill them up, and it's starting to tire me out. Molly, you should have come to me about this years ago. There is a fine line between too much complaining and not coming to me about problems. I'm very proud of you for doing your work by yourself, but you need help. I'll try to get a new engine. Fergus? Sorry, sir. I had to help Theo. And you did an excellent job. I might need to speak to the steelworks manager about suitable engines for jobs, though. Frankie asked me to take it, sir. Well, she should have known that you weren't the best engine for the job. Despite that, you two have delivered the supplies for the celebration right on time. Sir, you know how we're having the celebration early because of the storm that's coming? Yes, of course. There's interesting news. The storm's coming early. Does this mean we can have the celebration on the actual days? Yes, but hold on tight. We're in for a bumpy ride. So how was Sodor? Good. Have you seen Theo today? I haven't seen him anywhere. No, I can't say I have. Oh no. What? Why would you? If you did what I think you did, I'm going to be mad. We agreed to be nice. I just wanted some help. That's what you said when you tried to imprison Thomas and James, and my wheels nearly got burnt as a result. Hurricane? Right, I'm going looking for him.